Hello Squadies, you guessed it. I'm gonna show you how to make my mom's world famous lean turkey meatloaf muffins.
Hey Mom! The meatloaf! We want it now!
Moist, easy, full of protein, and so tasty. But first things first, you're probably wondering why are we using turkey? Well, that is because it is nutrient dense and it is a great lean protein to help us build all that lean, toned, strong muscle that we'll all get excited about. First things first, we're gonna get chopping. You have an onion. Half a chopped peeled onion. 1 whole de-seeded red pepper. And 1 jalapeno seeds in, because we're keeping this spicy to fire up the metabolism. Get your food processor, take a step back. Boo, 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 bop. Time to do the lean remix. Food processor, lid on. Let's mix it up. Take a whiff of that. That is gonna light the metabolism on fire as well as the taste buds. Pop it off. Whoop. Boop. Next thing's next. Oh, cumin, spicy, garlicky. We wanna make this spicy, so we're getting some paprika in there. Cumin. Call this the lean salsa. Key, we want more protein in this party. Eggies, whoop. Crack them in. Whoop. Uno. Another eggie. Olive oil. Just sprinkle it around there. Make those sounds too. And this is where it really gets fun. Lean, ground turkey meat. Going back to the food processor. Lean Remix 2.0. So much healthy, good, lean protein. Get really excited. Boop. On there, lock it in. All right, here we go. Lean Remix. Look at that. Serious question. If that does not get you excited, you want to check that heartbeat, because this is as lean as it gets. Moist turkey muffins coming our way. Here we go. Spray it up, non-stick pan, olive oil, combo. Grab that lean mix. We are making my mom's famous turkey meatloaf muffins. Spicy and nice, and just pop them in. Grab a handful, just like that. Boo! These. So excited about these. Honestly, this is one of the best meal preps you can have. Look at that, packed full of protein. So tasty, packed full of flavors. A lot of people think, oh, to get lean, you gotta make boring meals. That's not the way it works. The more exciting the meal, the leaner and longer your journey is going to last. Whoop. 6 lean turkey meatloaf muffins, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whole bunch of leanness in the oven, 30 minutes, 375. 30 minutes, 375, leanness in the oven, turkey, meatloaf, lean muffins coming to your belly in 30 minutes. It's the final countdown. Do-do-do. The leanness is coming. Here it is. Mama made your turkey meatloaf muffins and they look lean amazing. Woo! Turkey, leanified meatloaf muffins, packed, full of protein, nutrient dense. Get these in your belly and you have a lean prep. So you just pop these in the fridge, boom, pop them out. When you want some protein, when you want to feel amazing, look right there. These can be all yours. All you gotta do is make the recipe. Make sure you visit thinkturkey.ca for all the recipes I'm posting. Also, subscribe to the channel, make the leanness, tag and comment if you love this video, because I've got some amazing recipes coming your way. Oh, it's so good. So amazing.